G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something a little bit different. As you can see, we're actually on land. And there's the water. And the sun's setting really nicely at the moment. So we're gonna go for a bit of a squid fish. See if we can get some nice squid. And yeah, see if we can cook something up. Maybe tomorrow night for you guys, if we catch anything. But we'll see how we go. You ready?
We better catch something because it's bloody cold. I didn't come here for nothing.
But yeah, let's see if we can get something.
Today
look at Clive, always ahead. Always running to the fish. Man, it is a little bit cold. This is my little setup. So it's my little overhead caster with my rod that's not made for this reel. But it'll do.
And what do you call a person that carries all your fishing shit? Like, you know, you have a caddy in golf. What would you call that person?
My wife.
Be careful now.
Slept in 'cause I don't care. Didn't make the bed. Sip coffee on my couch. What can I do instead? No work, it's only fun 'cause it's all okay.
What's going on?
This line and reel and the whole setup that I've got here is not made for squidding. So every time I cast, this lure is so light that my knot to my leader keeps hooking on one of my eyes. And pulls it back. So you see this knot here?
Yeah.
That keeps hitting on the eyes. So every time that knot hits the top eye, it stops and pulls the lure back.
Really? Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, boy,
That thing is massive!
Where do you kill it?
You just put it on the head.
Oh my gosh, look how big it is!
Yeah,
It's
mate.
huge! Oh my goodness, look at that!
Yeah, man. First one.
It's huge!
Alright.
Oh my goodness!
Alright, let me put him aside.
Well done, baby!
That is awesome.
Oh my
Thanks,
gosh!
man.
Okay, this is so worth it. I'm glad I came now. Oh my goodness! Look at that, guys!
See if Stacey can get something. Look at that action. Yeah.
I'm stuck on something now.
Yeah, just pull, and it'll come loose.
Oh, I can see it. But I'm right down now.
Okay, so just bring it in and I'll cast for you again.
How far do I go?
Just like that. That's fine.
Okay. So we need to get you a proper squidding reel.
Yeah.
Any sponsors? Okay.
I just repeat the same action.
So is it tight now? No.
No, so tight and just check it up. Yeah. And then let it sink. And then reel again. There we go. Whoop. There it is. Stacey tried to kill me. I'll give it a go quick.
I just pulled it, yeah.
Yeah, it's when it gets hooked on the
Yeah, look.
the seaweed.
See?
Like that, that's what happens.
I don't want to put it on.
There you go.
Yeah, okay.
Man, now I have to walk through a bit of water on the way back. That's alright, not bad. 2 squids in the bucket. Dinner sorted. Ah, at least we don't have to swim, eh? Okay. What was that?
He's gone now. He was my pet.
Alright, Clive, did you scare him off now?
No, you scared him.
Man! Jeez, mate.
I let you swim.
We're getting wet, but it's going through the top over there, now it's going down.
Oh no. What's up, guys? We are back at home at the moment and we're going to clean some squid. We actually got 2 nice ones. So this was my first one that I've ever caught in my life on a rod and reel that's not rigged for it at all. And this is one of the Clive caught and he wasn't in the mood to clean it, so he gave it to us. So I'm going to attempt to clean this for the first time. Pull that.
Yeah, something.
No,
Oh.
that didn't work.
Ripped off my head.
Just so you guys know, this is how not to clean a squid. Alright, so the first one was almost a fail. We had to watch another YouTube video. But all good. As you can see, it actually came out really good. That's the little one that we got. Alright, so let's give this a go.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to separate. Oh, I just broke the ink sac. Apparently that's not a good thing.
Oh.
From the hood, as they call it. There we go. So as you can see, there is the backbone or whatever they call it. Grab that and you pull on it.
Look at that.
It's so
Easy
weird that
peasy.
actually, like it looks and feels like plastic. It is the weirdest thing ever, but pretty cool. So then, stick your hand under the wings. And then cool. So I'm going to use those pieces as bait. Get this piece off. Do the same thing. Get your finger there. Pull that off. And all the skin. Probably the hardest part to get off because it's so slimy. What I used to do when we caught octopus in South Africa, we used to use the tentacles as bait. And then what you do to get the skin off, you put sand on your hands and you basically just rub it like this with the sand on your hand and it just comes off so easy. Just gives you a lot more grip.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, at the moment I don't have sand.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, man. Like honestly, I can say it is one of the best feelings to know that we are going to eat this little guy and I caught him literally an hour ago and he's going to feed us. And I think that's pretty cool. Not a lot of people that can say that. Hey, Stacey's looking at me like, what are you saying, man?
I didn't know what you were doing.
So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Awesome feeling, know where it comes from.
Know where it's going.
Yeah, know where it's going. As natural as you can get. No additives. So finally done cleaning all the squid. Yeah, that was a lot harder than I thought it would be. The smaller one with all the tentacles. So we're going to make that sort of one way. And then the other one we've kind of left it in a tube. And then I've just got the wings there that I'm going to use for bait. Apparently you can eat those, but I just thought I need bait anyway. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know this video is a bit different than what we usually do, but yeah, it's always nice to do something different, catch a few different things. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, hit like below, leave us a comment, let us know what you think of the video. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Good night.
'Cause you never